We're going to be opening the most controversial mystery box in the world. Guys, I never thought I'd say it, but we're going to be opening the N3ON box today. Damn, this kid has been smashing it recently. Bit cringe, but so fucking popular. And we kickstart off with... What the fuck is that?
What the hell? Oh my god!
God damn it, guys. We're down $3. Fuck's sake. We need to make some money back instantly. But guys, if you do want to get a free mystery box, I repeat, free, all you have to do is go to the link in my bio, sign up, and it's as easy as that. Is that a win? Old Spice. Oh yeah, $2 up. $2 fucking dollars, baby.